Hi, I'm Shane from Shane Smith Law. One of the questions our clients ask us a lot of times is, how big is my settlement going to be, or what's my settlement going to be? And quite frankly, I tell my clients all the time in the very beginning, I can't tell you how big your settlement's going to be. What I can tell you is what the insurance company is going to base your settlement on. I can tell you also that our job is always to try to get you the best settlement we can, to get you fair compensation for your injuries, and that's the medical injuries as well as the impact on your life and any future injuries associated with that if the doctors will diagnose that. Also, I can tell you that the lawyer should seek your advice and talk to you about the settlement process, talk about the offer from the insurance company, whether it seems fair or not, and how it impacts all of your medical bills. One of the things the insurance company is going to do is they're going to base the value of your claim based on the diagnosed injuries you've received, how long it took you to get better, and the type of treatment and the frequency of that treatment that you had to have before you were able to get better. For instance, if you had to go to the chiropractor once a week for a month, that case is going to look different than somebody who had to go to the chiropractor 2 or 3 times a week for 6 or 8 weeks. I can also tell you that if you see a specialist and that specialist orders an MRI and that MRI shows a bulging or herniated disc that wasn't causing you problems before the accident, that case is going to be valued differently because that's a more serious injury and it's something that's going to take longer to treat. I can also tell you that somebody who has to go through surgery, their case is going to be much different than somebody who only goes to physical therapy and then gets better after 2 months. So each case is different, and it's almost impossible for a lawyer to look at a case and say what it's worth from the very beginning. What I can tell you is that we do our best to help our clients get fair compensation for all their injuries, and we also want to make sure that they get the medical care that supports those injuries and basically proves it. In other words, we talk to our clients that if you just quit going to the doctor, it looks like you're all better. So all of that goes into the settlement calculations when we discuss with our clients, but also when we argue with the insurance company on what the value of your case is. So if you have anything that's coming up, make sure you talk to your lawyer. I'm Shane from Shane Smith Law. If you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
980-999-9999. 980-999-9999. Shane Smith Law.